Hi lucky kids! For today's video, I will teach you the easy tutorial pose in Sakura School Simulator. First tutorial, easy step Tagalog. This is a 3 people in one bike. Buhatin mo lang si Mio Aida. Ayan. At i-adjust ang kanyang pose at ang gusto mong seat. Just like that. Ayan. I-adjust lang po natin ito. Ayan. Para sa mahilig maglalaro. You can apply this tutorial or pose in your story. This gonna make beautiful in your story. Try it. Just try it, lucky kids. Adjust again her pose to make it beautifully sit in the bike at the back of girl or Hina Tamaki. Pwede rin po kayo mamili ng inyong pose or klase ng seat. Just like that. Ayan po. Ayan po yung gusto ko. Yan. Ay, hindi pa pala yan. Kasi looking beautiful po. Kung ano po ang gusto niyo dyan. Anong gusto niyo kasi depende on your depends. Second tutorial is a step how to change pose when driving or riding a motor or single motor. Just say into other character or NPCs that follow. Just say into other characters or NPCs come with me and drive a motor. And then that's it. And put into a girl. Adjust camera to see what is her pose clearly. And pick some pose that you want from Chara item edit. That is my pose, but pwede nyo pong ibahin yan. Just like that. Yeah, it's beautifully. You can apply these two into your story. Pwede mo tong ilagay din sa iyong ibang story. Pag sumasakay ng motor. You can change her reactions or face or facial emotions too. And then put it the boy and ride. And you can turn it to girl to adjust a pose if it's right pose. Now it's done. It's so easy. Third tutorial, easy steps. First step, you need to carry your NPC character or your character that you will carry. And you need a second character. And pose him naka-pen light. Just like that. Choose pen light. Yan, single pen light. You can also change her facial expression or facial emotion in her face to make it real in your story or Sakura School Simulator stories. Tada! Also put something sa taas ng bookshelf like letters, cards, or anything that you can use.